Today we're going to be using Google Docs. At the top right of the screen, this small little icon that looks like 9 squares. All these choices will be choosing documents. Once it loads, we will have access to all of our prior documents as well as any new ones. In Google Docs, we can start anything from a new document, a book report, and just about anything else you can imagine. Prior documents will be stowed below, and when you open up a brand new document, you have access to title just about anything and anything you normally would in Word or any other writing prompt. However, Google Docs does have a good functionality that you can share this document with other people. You can edit it together in real time. We'll just call this one Untitled Document. And then you can enter the email address or names of any recipients to this document. Once they accept, you can both work together on the same document or just have one person watch, as you have the option to give them editing privileges or just have them observe the document. This can be done in this tab, where it says Can Edit, Can Comment, or Can View. Along this line, you can also give them the shareable link by pressing this button and copying it to your clipboard and pasting it anywhere you'd like.